Good morning, children. Hope you are doing good. Today, we are going to continue our Unit 2 Agriculture. In this Part 3 section, we are going to learn about important crops in Tamil Nadu. Before that, let us recollect what we have learned in the previous session about agriculture, farming, and irrigation. So, children, what is agriculture? Yes, agriculture is the art and science of preparing the soil for cultivation, growing crops, and raising livestock. Next, what are the importance of agriculture in India? Agriculture has become a necessity for the humans. India is an agricultural country. One third of our nation's income comes from agriculture. Agriculture led to the development of human civilization, and agriculture development contributes to the economy of our country. So, children, these are the importance of agriculture. Next, we learned about farmers. Children, do you know who is a farmer? Yes, a farmer is a person who cultivates crops and rears animals. Farmers who cultivate in an area less than 1 hectare are called micro farmers. India is a land of farmers. It is called so because majority of Indians are directly or indirectly involved in agricultural activities. Children, agriculture is the backbone of our economy. Next is different types of farming. There are several types of farming: subsistence farming, commercial farming, plantation farming, and mixed farming. So, children, what are the different types of farming? Subsistence farming, commercial farming, plantation farming, and mixed farming. First, subsistence farming. In subsistence farming, crops are cultivated and used only for own family consumption. The method of this farming is generally archaic. Archaic means old. Next is commercial farming. What is commercial farming? The crops that are cultivated for commercial use and is sold in markets are known as commercial farming. This method of farming is done by using modern tools and techniques. Next, what is plantation farming? Plantation farming is done in an estate where a single cash crop is cultivated on a large scale. Example for plantation farming are tea, coffee, etc. Next, mixed farming. Mixed farming refers to the rearing of animals along with the cultivation. This type of farming is economical. Okay, children, this is all about agriculture and different types of farming. Next topic: water resources for agriculture. There are no perennial rivers in Tamil Nadu. Perennial rivers means they flow continuously throughout the year, irrespective of seasons. They are also called permanent rivers. So, children, Tamil Nadu has no permanent rivers. Tamil Nadu depends on northeast and southwest monsoons. Hence, agriculture in Tamil Nadu is dependent on groundwater. Central Groundwater Board CGWB monitors the level and nature of groundwater. So, children, the nature and level of groundwater is monitored by Central Groundwater Board. Children, do you know what is irrigation? Irrigation means it is the supply of water to land or crops for the purpose of agriculture production. So, the supply of water to land or crops for the purpose of agriculture production is known as irrigation. There are different types of irrigation that are well irrigation, canal irrigation, sprinkler irrigation, and drip irrigation. First is well irrigation. Well irrigation has been practiced in Tamil Nadu for many generations. It is less expensive type of irrigation. Children, you can see two types of well irrigation: Archaic well irrigation means old type well irrigation and modern well irrigation. Next is canal irrigation. Canal irrigation is the most important form of irrigation in India. Most of the North Indian canals are perennial, means not continuous. The main canal irrigated areas are in the northern plains of India, such as Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, and Bihar. So, children, canal irrigation is the most important form of irrigation in India. It is mostly seen in Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, and Bihar because most of the North Indian canals are perennial. Children, do you know Dr. M.S. Swaminathan of Tamil Nadu is known as the father of Green Revolution in India? So, children, the father of Green Revolution in India is Dr. M.S. Swaminathan. Children, do you know what is Green Revolution? Green Revolution is a process which brought an increase in crop production by using new varieties of seeds, pesticides, and new agriculture techniques. Next type of irrigation is sprinkler irrigation. Sprinkler irrigation is similar to natural rainfall. Water is sprayed through pipes in the air through the sprinklers. Children, see the picture. It is like a rainfall. Children, this method of irrigation is known as sprinkler irrigation. Next is drip irrigation. Drip irrigation is a type of micro irrigation system that saves water and soil nutrients. In this system, water drips slowly into the roots of plants through pipes. Pipes can be either above the soil surface or buried below the surface. The water directly reaches the roots and minimizes evaporation. Children, do you know what is animal husbandry? Animal husbandry is the branch of agriculture. It is a type of agriculture. It is to raise animals for meat, fur, milk, eggs, and other products. Next is horticulture. Horticulture is the science or art of cultivating fruits, vegetables, flowers, or ornamental plants. Alright, children, let us start our today's topic, important crops in Tamil Nadu. Children, do you know what is the meaning of crops? Crop is a plant or plant product that is grown and harvested. First, we will see the important crops in India. India has a diverse, means different physiography, climate, and soil. Because of this, a variety of food crops are grown. First one is rice. India is the second largest producer of rice in the world. It is the most important crop and 34% of India's land is covered with a rice field. Major rice producing states are West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, and Punjab. Next is wheat. Wheat is another major crop cultivated in India. Uttar Pradesh cultivates 35% of the total wheat produced in the country. Major wheat producing states are Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, and Haryana. Next is jowar. Jowar means cholam. This crop is grown where the climate is hot and dry. Maharashtra cultivates 50% of the total jowar produced in our country. Jowar producing states include Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu. Next crops are pulses. Pulses are grown in dry climatic regions of India. It has major source of proteins. Madhya Pradesh is the leading pulses producing state in India. Madhya Pradesh produces 24% of the total pulses in our country. These are some of the important crops in India. Next, we will see the important crops in Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu has different types of soil, rainfall, and weather across its districts. It is suitable for the production of fruits, vegetables, spices, plantation crops, flowers, medicinal, and aromatic plants. So, children, Tamil Nadu has different types of soil, rainfall, and weather conditions. So, this state is suitable for producing fruits, vegetables, spices, flowers, medicinal plants, and aromatic plants. Horticulture is the fastest growing sector within the agriculture in Tamil Nadu. Children, what is horticulture? Horticulture is the science or art of cultivating fruits, vegetables, flowers, or ornamental plants. The principal food crops are rice, maize, jawar means cholam, bajra, kamba, ragi, and pulses. Pulses include Bengal gram, red gram, green gram, black gram, and horse gram. So, children, the principal food crops in Tamil Nadu are rice, maize, jowar means cholam, bajra means kamba, ragi, and pulses. Pulses include Bengal gram, red gram, green gram, black gram, and horse gram. Paddy crop is grown in large areas because rice is the main staple food of the state. Staple means what? Staple means used, needed, or enjoyed constantly, usually by many individuals. Because rice is the main staple food of Tamil Nadu, paddy is grown in large areas. So, children, the principal food crops of Tamil Nadu are rice, maize, jowar, bajra, ragi, and pulses. Children, next type of crop is cash crop. Do you know what is the meaning of cash crop? A cash crop or profit crop is an agricultural crop which is grown to sell for profit. The cash crops in Tamil Nadu includes cotton, sugarcane, oilseeds, coffee, tea, rubber, coconut, gingerly, and chilies. So, children, the different cash crops in Tamil Nadu are cotton, sugarcane, oilseeds, coffee, tea, rubber, coconut, gingerly, and chilies. These crops are cultivated for profit. So, it is called a cash crop or profit crop. Mango and banana are the leading fruit crops of Tamil Nadu. So, the leading fruit crops of Tamil Nadu are mango and banana. Next, main flowers grown in Tamil Nadu. The main flowers grown in Tamil Nadu are jasmine, marigold, chrysanthemum, and rose. Children, do you know which district is known as the rice bowl of Tamil Nadu? Tanjavur. Tanjavur district is known as the rice bowl of Tamil Nadu. Tanjavur is an important agriculture center located in the Kaveri Delta. Do you know which state is known as the rice bowl of India? Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh is known as the rice bowl of India. Coimbatore is known as the Manchester of South India. Coimbatore is the largest cotton producing district in Tamil Nadu, so it is known as the Manchester of South India. Children, hope you understood this unit. Now let us see a quick recap of this unit. We learned about what is agriculture, different types of farming, irrigation, and important crops in Tamil Nadu. India is an agricultural country. Our farmers are the backbone of Indian economy. There are different methods of farming: subsistence farming, commercial farming, plantation farming, and mixed farming. Irrigation. There are four basic types of irrigation: well irrigation, canal irrigation, sprinkler irrigation, and drip irrigation. The important food crops are rice, maize, jowar, bajra, ragi, and pulses. Next is textbook time. Unit 2, Agriculture. Today's portion: Important crops in Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu has different types of soil, rainfall, and weather across its districts. It is suitable for the production of fruits, vegetables, spices, plantation crops, flowers, medicinal, and aromatic plants. Horticulture is the fastest growing sector within agriculture in Tamil Nadu. Paddy is grown in large areas because rice is the main staple food of the state. The principal food crops are rice, maize, jowar, cholam, bajra, kambar, ragi, and pulses. Pulses include Bengal gram, red gram, green gram, black gram, and horse gram. The cash crops include cotton, sugarcane, oilseeds, coffee, tea, rubber, coconut, gingerly, and chilies. Mango and banana are the leading food crops of Tamil Nadu. The main flowers grown in Tamil Nadu are jasmine, chrysanthemum, marigold, and rose. Tanjore is an important agricultural center located in the Kaveri Delta. It is known as the rice bowl of Tamil Nadu. Coimbatore is the largest cotton producing district in Tamil Nadu. It is known as the Manchester of South India. Next, recap. India is an agricultural country. Indian farmers are the backbone of the Indian economy. There are several methods of farming systems in India. There are four basic types of irrigation. The principal food crops are rice, maize, jowar, bajra, ragi, and pulses. Alright, children, let us evaluate what we have learned in this session. First question: which district is known as the rice bowl of Tamil Nadu? Answer: Tanjavur. Tanjavur is known as the rice bowl of Tamil Nadu. Next question: what are the leading fruit crops of Tamil Nadu? Answer: mango and banana. Mango and banana are the leading fruit crops of Tamil Nadu. Third question: which food crop is grown in large areas? Answer: paddy. Paddy is grown in large areas because rice is the main staple food of the state. Fourth question: which is known as the Manchester of South India? Answer: Coimbatore. Coimbatore is known as the Manchester of South India. Last question: what are the important crops in Tamil Nadu? The important crops in Tamil Nadu are fruits, vegetables, spices, plantation crops, flowers, medicinal and aromatic plants. Thank you, children. Hope you understood this unit. Watch the video carefully and don't forget to complete the worksheet.